Hello, in today's video I'll show you how to check the battery health on Samsung Galaxy A27. To check your battery health, you'll need to go to the settings, then scroll down and find battery. Now, once you scroll down even further, you'll find battery information, and now you'll find different things like current battery status, current battery charge level, battery capacity, and the most important, which is battery health. If it's at 100%, it means you have a new battery, and that it will, once you charge it to 100%, it feels like charged to 100. If the battery health is lower, let's say 90, then once you charge your phone to 100%, it will last as long as it would if it was a new battery charged to 90. That's what it means. It just has the 90% of the capacity it used to have when it was new, and you don't need to worry about it too much because it's normal for battery health to go down to about 80% after 2 years. But you can just view it, and if you think that the battery health is too low, then you may want to replace your battery, for example, or change, or if it just goes down too quickly, maybe try changing your habits a little bit. Maybe there's something that you do that it makes the battery degrade faster. I hope that this video was helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.